Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat or Alfa Romeo and you want to know the symptoms of bad wheel bearing. Front or rear, practically it's about the same. We'll explain what you can experience, why it's important to replace it, and how we can find out if it's good or bad. So make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a ton of money. So with that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here. This guys is a Fiat 500, but doesn't matter if you have a Fiat Alfa Romeo or any car, symptoms are about the same. You will have 4 wheel bearings. Each one of the wheels will have a wheel bearing. Usually it's behind the disc or the brake roller right here. Now, when they first start going out, you start hearing like a humming noise, usually at higher speeds, and that humming noise, guys, the more you drive, okay, the louder you usually will get, and it can even sometimes be kind of like a grinding noise, kind of like something is smashing inside, okay? It will be more loud, it will be definitely noticeable. And how do you usually guys can feel if it's a bad bearing? Go ahead and turn the disc, turn the tire, and see if it turns smoothly. If it's kind of like cutting, okay, it's not smooth, it's kind of like skipping, that means that's definitely a bad bearing. Another thing, when you're driving, if you're driving in a straight line and you hear the humming, if you just swerve a little bit to the left or right, but be safe when you do that, okay, if you swerve one way, okay, the noise should go away. Okay, and the other way it will be back, or when you go straight. But on one way, when there is no weight on that bearing, it will actually, the noise will go away, guys. So by swerving you'll be able to see if it goes away, it's a bad wheel bearing. Something else, you may experience, guys, play. So if you grab the tire and it's lifted off the ground, it's in the air, grab it with 2 hands, shake it and see if you have play. Make sure it's not anywhere in the ball joints or control arm or lower ball joint, tie rod end, but it could be a loose bearing as well, and that can cause even steering wheel vibrations. That's another symptom. And something else, right here it's the ABS, wheel speed sensor. Sometimes it's part of the wheel bearing assembly as well, and often can actually, guys, okay, cause damage to that, and you may experience having ABS and traction control light on. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.